Welcome to Storytime English, where we enjoy stories and practice English at the same time. Today, Inside Area 51, Truth or Mystery. In the dry, empty Nevada desert in the United States, there is a road that leads to nowhere. A long fence, warning signs, do not enter. Security cameras are everywhere. Armed guards are watching. You cannot enter. You cannot even stop nearby. Welcome to Area 51. For years, the U.S. government said this place didn't even exist until 2013. Maps showed nothing in that spot. It was a secret. It was like a ghost place. But satellite images proved something was there. A base, runways, buildings, and strange lights at night. What are they doing there? Officially, Area 51 is a military base. It was created during the Cold War, a time when the U.S. and the Soviet Union were in a quiet fight for power. The government says the base was where secret spy planes like the U-2 and the SR-71 were built and tested. These planes flew very high and very fast. They were made to watch enemies from the sky without being seen. But Area 51 is not famous because of planes. It's famous because of what people believe happened, or is still happening, inside. In 1947, something strange crashed near Roswell, New Mexico. The U.S. military said it was a flying disc. Then they changed the story. It was just a weather balloon. But many people believed it was something else. A UFO. An alien ship. The rumors grew. Some said the pieces of the ship were taken to Area 51. Some even said there were alien bodies. Since then, the stories have never stopped. People say Area 51 hides alien technology, that scientists there study creatures from other planets, that they are keeping big secrets from the world. No one knows for sure, because no one is allowed to see. And then, there are those who claim to know the truth. Bob Lazar is one of the most famous people to talk about Area 51. In 1989, he said he worked at a part of the base called S4. He said he saw flying saucers there, not built by humans. He described a special fuel, a strange power source, and technology that could bend gravity. Most scientists didn't believe him, but others wondered, what if? Lazar even said the government was trying to reverse engineer the alien ships. That means taking them apart to learn how they work. Like learning the secrets of the universe from something not from Earth. To this day, Bob Lazar's story is one of the biggest reasons Area 51 is so famous. But here's something even more interesting. For many years, Area 51 was blacked out on satellite maps. While you could see most military bases from space, Area 51 was hidden. It didn't appear clearly. Many people believe the U.S. government asked companies not to show it. Even today, taking photos near the area is illegal. And if you fly over it, even in a small plane, you could be in serious trouble. There are no public tours, no visitors, no explanations, just silence. In 2019, an internet joke became a huge event. It was called Storm Area 51. They can't stop all of us. Millions of people signed up to go there. The idea? Run into the base and find the aliens. Of course, it didn't really happen. Only a few people showed up peacefully. But the joke became news all over the world. Why? Because deep down, many people want to know the truth. Even today, people go near the fence, take photos, and wonder what's behind the hills. You can't get close. Guards will stop you. But the mystery, that's always close. Area 51 is more than just a base. It's a symbol of secrets, of things we don't understand, of the possibility that we are not alone. We may never know for sure, but the mystery makes it magical. Maybe it's just a place for planes. Maybe it's a home for secrets. Or maybe it's something much, much bigger. Did you know? Some former workers have claimed that even the people who work in Area 51 only know a small part of what happens there. Each person only sees one piece of the puzzle. That way, no one knows the full secret. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Want to discover more mysteries of the world while improving your English? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell.